Today we're doing a satisfying video. I'm taking a break from video games, recording it, actually. Alright, let's get started off with making a slime. What you're going to need to make it colorful, it doesn't have to be neon, but you're going to need some food coloring. Wow, that's a close view, cameraman. Okay, that's too close. Then you're gonna need to stir it with the stirring stick, or anything to stir it. The glue. And the activator, which is borax. Sadly, we don't have Tide, or else I wouldn't be messing with chemicals like this. Anyway, I think you got a good view. Alright, what you want to put a hard container to open. And then, then you're gonna, I don't know which one to do, so I'm gonna have the cameraman pick them out for me. Alright, you gotta pick up random colors that won't go together. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you can do whatever one first. I'm doing the green first because green is like my second favorite color. Purple's like my fifth because I don't like purple. I'm a boy. Okay, I think we got enough green in there. Then I think we stir it next. I don't know. I'm gonna stir it. Mix, mix, and mix. Ooh. That is a pretty green. I'm sorry, I don't like to talk a lot sometimes. Okay, the cameraman poured that in. Ooh, that is pretty. Should we just keep it like that, or what are we doing? Well, let's do it a couple more. Alright, I think that's enough. Okay, I want it to look like fry sauce, man. Oh, okay. That balances it out. So it'll turn back into a freaking fry sauce. Alright, I got this all stirred out now. And then, ooh, look at that on the side, man. Pretty. Then what you're going to want to do is add the activator. And I'm going to do the honors of squirting it in. How embarrassing, I didn't even open it. Oh, shoot, it squirted all over me. This can burn my skin. I think that's enough. Then you're going to want to mix it all together. And then you'll have a fry sauce slime. Fry sauce, fry sauce. Only fry sauce is good with fries. That's why they call it fry frost. Oh yeah, by the way, check out my other videos, like my beats and my Roblox videos, and I think that's all I make so far. And then a satisfying video, my first one. Are we adding more of that in? Is it stirred enough? You turd head. Oh, there we go. Oh, if I drop this on the floor, I'm going to blame this on you, cameraman. Oh, wait, no. You're going to ruin my slime. No. Alright, guys, I got it all stirred out, and now it's time to knead it before this falls off the table. Ew. Oh, you gotta be. I hate kneading slime. There we go. It's slime, but there's a bunch on the table, so I gotta pick all that up. Hey guys, we're back. We finished kneading it and everything, and yeah, it looks like fry sauce, and we made a deal that we'd be sharing. Really happy with the way my slime turned out. Anyway, let's start playing with it for a bit before we move on to the other slimes. We have 3 other slimes to show you guys. Gosh. And we'll see how stretchy it is. This is like so soft and perfect. Whee! Whoa. Alright, guys. The cameraman is recording. Or camera girl, whatever one. I know, just so you know, she ain't trying to take over my channel. Oi! That's a too close view. I think it's time to show you guys the next slime. Alright, so I grabbed this one. It's slippery. It looks like it's like the color of boogers. Ew. Hold it. Is it stretchy? That is a definite no. Failure. I think this is the one she trolled me with. I can see inside of it. I see emptiness. I don't think you can even put this back together now that you ripped it. Ooh. There we go. Good as new. Yeah. It's sticky. Sticky. And of course. Anyway, I got this in out, and now we're going to build it. Up. Stretch it up. Stretch it up. Okay, then we're gonna stretch it up one more time. I'm gonna try and make a bubble, guys. So I believe it goes like this. Start from the back, then go like that. Okay, I think it's time for the next slime. This one's easy to get out. Alright guys, I got this slime out, and this is the last one we have for you guys for the satisfying video. It's hard a bit, so it's kind of hard to poke. It's not that big either. Might make it bigger later. Then we're going to try and stretch it up. Oh, let me do something cool. The dookies. There we go. I think it's time to show off all the slimes. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and today that we did the montage. Okay, I messed up there. I'm sorry. Anyway, and leave a comment. I will comment to you guys for the past hour or so. Peace. Oh yeah, I forgot. And like when you're new to my channel, when you subscribe, you become a part of the Land of Gaming Squad. Peace.